Hi everybody, welcome to Live with Children here at Achema in Frankfurt, day 2. I'm at the ABC transfer with CEO and co-founder Thierry Girard, hopefully I pronounced that correctly, who is going to talk to me a bit more about ABC transfer and the philosophy of the business and look at some of the trends in the transfer solutions industry. So Thierry, first of all, bonjour, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you, son, and yourself?
Very, very well. Now, this is day 2, so how has day 1 gone for you so far?
Day 1 has been pretty good actually, thank you. We had a few interesting contacts yesterday.
Brilliant. Now, obviously for people not familiar with ABC Transfer, can you give me an overview of the business? And actually, as the co-founder of the business, your rationale for launching it in the first place?
Sure. The company was created 3 years ago, in July 2019. And we design and supply ultra clean and sterile transfer systems, alpha ports, beta containers and beta bags for the pharmaceutical industry. And the goal of the company is to provide state-of-the-art technology in compliance with new regulations which are going to come into force in Europe and in the United States soon.
Right, that's interesting. So what led you to launch the company based on the fact there are already a number of companies out there who do similar products? So what makes what you do different to what's already out there?
It's a very good question. Thank you for this. My associate and myself decided to create this company after talking to a number of very big drug manufacturing companies in Europe and talking especially with their production people and maintenance people and quality assurance people. And we asked them basically what sort of issues they were having in their day-to-day operation, in production, in maintenance. And to our surprise, they gave us a very, very long list of things they wanted to see improved or changed or done differently. And this is how we decided to create the company.
So, if you don't mind sharing, what were some of those issues that they flagged up?
It's around 3 main topics: ergonomics, production ergonomics, difficulty to handle the products. Operators who are very often female operators are manipulating stainless steel, heavy products, and perhaps the existing technology does not make their life easier. That's one example. Maintenance also, our customers tend to maintain the products by themselves, and of course the easier we can make it for them the better, and again we get quite a big list of things to do better. And quality assurance, especially with the arrival of the Annex 1 of the European GMP in Europe, everybody's talking about it, making a lot of requests, a lot of demands, ability to operate the line without glove port, these sort of things.
Fantastic. I know you've got a range of products here.
We do.
And viewers, I've actually recorded a couple of demos which you can check out throughout the week as well. But as I've got you here and they're right behind you, can you just very quickly tell me what you've actually got on display on the booth?
Sure, we can.
Without doing the demo, just literally just talk me through what's here.
What we have here is we have here our alpha port, diameter 190. It's also available in diameter 270. This is, let's say, the traditional way of operating the alpha, where you do need a glove port to operate the alpha. But as you can see, the operation is extremely easy. I can do the opening and the closing with my pinky finger. So that's a good example of how we're improving the ergonomics, even though this is, let's say, a standard product. Over here, we have the gloveless alpha port. In that particular case, you can open and close and operate the alpha without the need of any glove port. If we can actually move around, no? Okay. So you have these handles which enable the operator to operate the alpha from outside. So it's a big benefit in terms of ergonomics, but it's also a big benefit in terms of Annex 1 of the European GMP. And of course, the ultimate solution is the ABC Transfer Ultra system, which has been designed to enable customers to transfer their stoppers using beta bags without any glove port at all.
Fantastic. Now, looking ahead though, what do you see as, you mentioned Annex 1 for example, But what other things do you think are on the horizon which could impact transfer debt solutions and the development of transfer solutions going forward?
Over the next few years, I think it's really the next one, which is a big step change for the entire industry. Because of course we're talking about transfer system, but it's just a small element in the filling line business. Things such as robotics, for example, are starting to come into play. In fact, if you walk around the show, you will see a lot of robots, which is relatively new in the pharmaceutical industry. And this is also impacting, of course, our products, because we need to think about how we can use our products with robots. The removal of growth ports is a big change because production lines have been operated that way for the last 50 years. So it's a major shift for the industry. So I think these trends are going to occupy ourselves for the next 10 years. As far as consumables are concerned, what we are seeing is a lot more focus on extractable products and the avoidance that our customers are trying to get to make sure that these extractables do not pollute their component and their stoppers. And that means a lot of work around plastic material, the choice of plastic material, which is, I think, a big thing for the next 10 years, 10, 15 years.
Well, that's brilliant. Thank you for giving me that.
Thank you very much.
Your thoughts on those trends, that's really interesting. So there you go, viewers. If you are here this week at Achema, then please check out the ABC Transfer booth. It's Hall 3.1, Stand B26. You can see the products for yourself and have a chat with Thierry and the team to learn more about the products themselves, but also, as I say, the trends and what he thinks some of the issues are and how they can help you. If you can't do that, though, I know you're very active on LinkedIn. So
that's right. You can follow us on LinkedIn. We're very active. We're posting almost every week.
Brilliant. And find out also where else you can meet them in person. So, Thierry, I wish you lots of success this week.
Thank you very much.
Lovely to see you, and thank you for the opportunity to talk to you.
Thank you.
And thank you, viewers, for watching. Until next time, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.